Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 8th, and it looks like we're living in the last days. So let's see what it looks like. And I know you thought doom and gloom, that the world's come to the end, but it's not. But we are looking at the last days of this squash. We've got a good batch of powdery mildew on this. We've got a lot of blight on these others. Production's down to just about nothing. And so this is their last days. This has been 12 weeks. Yesterday I did see some little nymph of squash bugs, so they finally come in. But like I say, it's the last days here for these because all the stress from blight and powdery mildew and stuff like that, they're going to attract bugs. And so the best thing to do is, as I always say, just take them out. I have another batch going that's producing, and I'll plant another one just as soon as I get these out. I'll plant them not here, but in another part of the garden, and continue to have squash. And that's the end of the world for this batch of cucumbers. You can see that blight's taking over. The cucumbers are just deformed, a lot of them. It still has some, and what we do is we'll harvest all the ones that are big enough to do something with, but they've definitely got to come out. But let me get this row cleaned out. And we're pulling these up because we've still got root knot nematodes in here. Normally we'd cut something off, but until we get the problem dealt with, this is the best way to mitigate it. We're getting less and less because we take them out. And so anyway, that's where it's all going. And like the legend of the phoenix, out of the ashes comes new life. And you can see some of these are struggling. That one there is probably not going to make it. We had to give them a lot of extra water because we're up in the upper 90s. Sometimes, like yesterday, I think we got to 94, but we're going to be up to 97, 98, 99. And you can see how it's affecting these other ones. You can see how they're getting attacked by pests. And that's because they're getting stressed and they put out chemicals. And those bugs are engineered or evolved if they take and recognize that scent, the hormone, whatever it is. Now, our new squash is over here. We put our cucumbers in the same spot. We waited a few days. It's been about a week or so. This is June 16th. We've just put out our new batch of squash. It is hot. It's going to be hot. Kept trying to find a better time, and I said I can't leave these in the cell trays no longer, otherwise I'm going to stunt their growth. So we'll put them in the ground, and it's just about the right time. But anyway, there's our next crop. The heat's getting to a lot of the crops, and the heat's getting to me and Vicky, so we might be cutting back a little bit on our summertime gardening and wait for cooler weather. Maybe try to do a little more in the greenhouse. We did put out a few more cucumbers in there, and we'll do that on the garden update. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and select all so you'll be sure to be notified. And whether it's hot or not, enjoy that gardening experience.